The same one that, what is it? Mergio used to get that one time.
Oh, that's Angelo's Pizza.
This, they say old railway track, right?
Huh?
Old railway track, this one.
Railroad tracks. It used to be, yeah, the High Line.
High Line.
It's a park. They call it a park now, but yeah, it used to be railroad tracks. Still,
Rail.
it's called the High Line.
High Line.
Yeah.
It's a railway track, right?
Yeah, it used to be, yeah. If you go up there, you can still see the tracks in certain spots in the ground and everything.
Where are you from?
Me?
Yeah.
Bhutan.
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 Oh, Mongolia?
No, Bhutan is different.
Bhutan is Nepal.
No, different. Bhutan.
Oh, Bhutan is different again from Mongolia and Nepal?
Yeah, different country, small country.
Ah, Bhutan.
Is north we have China, south India, and we are between small one.
Oh, so you're the smallest you're
Yeah. Small India.
you're the smallest country there. Ah, okay, Bhutan. Because I know a friend of mine married to Nepal.
Oh, Nepal.
Nepal Gorkha, you know the Gorkha?
Those
You
who
look
are
like
in,
a Gorkha though.
Yeah, those who are in UK, right?
Huh?
Gorkha mostly in UK.
Yes, but they have a lot of them in Hong Kong.
Oh, in Hong Kong.
Yeah, when it was still under UK, so the Gorkhas are in. They have a military.
In Hong Kong?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
My daughter's friend married to one. Yeah, Gorkha.
Gorkha.
Minister. Yeah.
Gorkha is Nepali, I think.
Yes, Nepal. Yeah, they're very tough soldiers, you know.
Yeah.
Bhutan. Is this where this you have more cows there than people, huh?
Where?
In Bhutan.
Yeah, more animal. Yeah.
More animal than people,
Yeah.
right? But Bhutan people are nice. Yeah, I saw some Bhutanese people in Hong Kong. They are scholars.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, they sent by your government to study there.
Study, yeah.
Yeah, in Tokyo. Not many, mostly from Bhutan and Laos, Cambodia.
Oh,
Yeah, you know those things. It's a very. How long have you been here?
just 6-7 years.
7 years. Oh, look at the boat there. It's coming up. The boat.
No, it's a
Work, I think they're working.
Oh yeah.
it's a motorboat. I mean,
Oh, it's a
small
motorboat.
one, yeah.
It's a big contrast to Bhutan, huh? Here, because you know the buildings.
Yeah. Bhutan is 4-5
Yeah, and also yeah, you have a king there, right?
king, yeah.
So the king and Nepal and Bhutan is different.
Different country. Nepal, Bhutan, India. Different country.
Oh, Bhutan, India.
India, different country.
Yeah,
Bhutan also different country.
yeah. How many population there?
It's around 800,000 only.
Wow, not even a million, huh?
Not even million.
Yeah, you don't produce many babies there, huh?
Yeah.
Ah. Wow. 800,000. Must be difficult for you to come here.
Yeah, I was working in the Ministry of Health, so I got chance to.
No wonder government connection.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. Okay, now I understand. Because if you're just, like those students that was in Tokyo,
No.
it's really hard for them.
Yeah, it's very.
Yes.
you
They have to
come-
study hard to maintain their scholarship, yeah.
Yeah.
But if you're working already at the government department, it's easier. 800,000. So do you own your car?
Yeah, this is
That's
not-
good. That's good. Yeah.
not that good. Not,
Yeah.
New old.
No, 4 years old or 5 years old. It's okay. Do you have over in Bhutan? No, not yet, huh?
No.
No, huh? Oh, wow.
Oh, the railway is still here.
Yeah, that's a highline. Yeah, that's a.
Very nice.
What is the religion in Bhutan? It's Hindu?
No, it's Buddhist.
A Buddhist. Oh, just like Japan.
Yeah, Japan.
Japan is a Buddhist.
Wow. I've never walked. I have to walk once.
Yes, never walked there too. We always be on that area there near the edge. But this highland thing here, no, we never been there. You know, that highland.
I think I have.
Circular?
Yeah. I forgot it extended that far up.
Yeah.
About it comes to about that's about the end, I think, around 34th. Come to think of it.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's
Oh, they end to 34th Street. From
yes,
town.
Yeah,
yes.
I think so. I think
So
that's.
they start from 25, no? Or which?
Oh, the High Line?
Oh.
No, it's more south than that, more downtown than that.
For-
They have a website you can go to.
I think they start from the 13.
Oh.
What do they?
14, yeah,
Yeah.
14.
Maybe.
Yeah.
We went to that Cooper, that museum.
Yeah, a Whitney Museum.
Whitney.
Yeah.
Whitney Museum is
12, maybe.
12, yeah.
Yeah. So it's
Oh, my
start from there.
goodness. Almost like 22 blocks, right?
Yeah. It's a
Lot
long
of-
one, yeah.
Very crowded. It can be a lot of crowd with tourists.
No, that's in summertime.
No.
But not this time.
I don't know.
But for Bhutan people, they get used of cold, right?
Yeah, cold.
Yeah. The people there are top.
Yeah, like very Himalayan is mountain.
Yes. Oh, you're part of the Himalayan? Is Bhutan?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
No, Bhutan is Himalayan country.
Ah, but also Nepal is a Himalayan. Yeah.
That's right.
Yes. I remember when my friend's daughter wanted to get married to a Bhutanese, Nepalese. And then my friend said like, why? We're already poor in the Philippines and you want to go to Nepal, which is more poorer than the Philippines.
Nepal, you know, the money is
Yeah.
$1 is 135 now.
That's
135 $1.
100.
Oh
So
my gosh.
that is good or bad?
It's very bad. That means
Very
your
bad.
country is nothing.
When $35 equals
Yeah,
one,
yeah,
equal
yeah.
one
If you
American
do
dollar is.
$100 here is like 13,000.
Oh gosh.
So man, that means in Nepal,
Okay.
in Nepal if you stay you get nothing.
Oh, okay.
That
So
means-
that's why my friend said like,
That
please.
means to here to $100 work
Yeah.
in
Nepal
Nepal
is-
to make $100 you have to like earn 13,000.
1 year. Wow. But life here is easier than here maybe. Here you have to work hard to pay your rent.
Yeah. No, it's hard, yeah, but it's better than the other because other there's no work and even work also
Yeah.
you don't get money. Here, the good thing is if you work hard you get money.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, because the other country people work hard but don't get that money.
Yeah, they don't get rich.
To get
Yes.
$100 you have to work like 5 days.
Yes.
Here $100 means you have to work, you can work like 3-4 hours.
Ah, no
It is,
work, only farm.
That is the people. That is why America is great.
That's right. But why are people trashing America? I don't know.
Sorry.
Some American are trashing America.
Because they don't know
Yeah, they don't know because they don't.
Because
Yeah,
they have to go to Nepal and stay 1 year. Then
yeah, they have to go to the
they-
Philippines too and
Philippines
see.
and Bhutan.
Yeah,
Those who are doing, they have to transfer like 1 year.
yeah, they are.
No, not 1 year. At least 3 months, and they will know what America, what. other
No,
countries.
even
1 month
one
also.
month is too long. You
Yeah.
know, they will not survive. The food, the sanitary. Ew.
No, if they shout like this,
Yeah.
like a street,
Yes.
you know the people that in other country, police will catch and beat you and lock
Yes.
up.
Yes.
They don't care what government news agency.
Yes.
Here people shout, you know, especially like even immigrant people like last
Yeah.
time, people shout to you, their government has given enough money,
Yes.
still you shout against. And this news media, they do, police, they do nothing. Oh my
They cannot. They, you know, on the train.
problem. That is the great America. If you go to other country and shout, within
No.
one time you get 4
Yeah.
5 stick on your head and
Yes.
you're knocked out. First they will take to hospital.
Uh-huh.
After a little treatment, then they will send to jail.
Yes. Hi, Nai. Yeah, in the Philippines, it's
Yeah, it's same.
same.
Because,
Yes.
so
It's terrible.
because here the government has done doing too much to the people.
Yeah. But
If you don't work, you get the money to eat.
but they paid high taxes here too.
No. Those who are paying taxes are very hard working. They don't talk like this. No time for this.
Yes.
Those who are not paying tax, not doing good are the problem.
Yeah.
Those who are paying tax, millionaire, rich people, they never come out. Right? They are busy, right?
Yes, that's true.
Only who doesn't have work, they stay
Yeah,
in
only
that
those
thing,
illegals.
The time pass.
They have a lot of time to criticize.
Yeah.
Huh.
That is why usually those who are in street middlemen, we never get rich because we waste our time
Yes.
not working.
Yes, that's true.
We listen to friends, listen to people, and go unnecessary, do nothing, shouting this thing, and then
Yeah, and then you know this burning California. Oh, it's done by the homeless. Oh yeah.
I heard like that. Yeah, there are many this time, right?
Yeah. You see, there are many people from the third world countries that do their best to reach their goal to come to America. The American dream.
No problem.
We are on our American dream.
Problem is, I think America should giving everything, and at the same time, rules should be very strict.
Yeah. I don't know
Like
this.
in Singapore, I've been to Singapore a couple of times. Oh my God! You can't spit on the street. You are fine.
Yeah, very
You
clean.
can't smoke.
Yeah, the
And
street in
if
Singapore
you
are
do
very.
something like this, you are locked up and you never come up.
Yes,
Come out.
that's true.
You have
That's
to very
true,
strict.
yes.
That's why the rule here, I don't know.
There are many Filipinos there in Singapore, right?
Yeah. Singapore, yeah, many Asian,
Yeah.
Indians.
Oh yeah, Indians, because
do on
Singapore is mostly Indians actually.
And they would do lots of construction. No, they're rich Indians and the other
Yes,
workers,
yes.
mostly Indian are doing construction.
Hey, we're on the 96 already. Is this your permanent, I mean, full-time
Permanent
job?
Yeah, I don't have other job.
Oh yeah?
Whether I like it or not like it, I don't know.
Oh really? Oh wow, so you can control your tax, huh?
How control?
Control means, you know, you can earn more or you can earn less.
I want to earn more and pay more tax. That is my rule.
Yes.
I don't want to earn less and no pay tax. I don't like it.
Yeah, some people like, oh, you know,
Yeah.
like they don't like to
One of a few friends, I said, why you are not working? What to do? You have to pay tax. Then I said, I think in school you didn't study math properly. Then how come 1 + 2 is 3 and you are trying to 1 + 2 is 1? It will not happen. If you earn more, you have to pay more tax.
yeah.
It's nothing that you earn more and right. If you earn less, you
So 1 + 1 = 2. No,
Yeah.
1 + 1 = 1.
yeah. I said 1 + 2 means 3. Your
Yes.
answer in thinking is 1 + 2 is 1. Right?
Yeah.
No, because you earn more and you have to pay obviously tax more, right?
Yes.
So that's not if you don't pay tax, and if you earn more, pay tax. These two has nothing. Difference is if you pay more tax, you earn more. That is more benefited to us, right?
Yes, but sometimes it's so unfair.
No. The problem is people always think for benefit. You know, the second thing.
Yes.
They don't work hard. That is why if we were on benefit, we'll never get rich. That is the problem.
Yeah.
That is what I'm telling my friend. So people think of the free things when you don't pay tax. You think then I will pay no tax, I will work less, I will eat benefit. So when we have this mentality, then you will never get rich, right? You
No,
will be
you
worker.
will be a welfare person
Worker all the
forever.
time, proud.
Yeah.
What do you think, right, Miss?
Yes. Some people at my work wouldn't like to work more because they don't want to pay
No, that
tax.
is
Yes, and they will lose their Medicaid and their SNAP and you know, like they have a card from the government. They shop with their card.
Yeah, because the government thinks you are not paying tax and you are not working, right?
Yeah, but it's lazy. Something like, you know.
Yeah, then if you don't
You
work,
have nothing
you
to.
eat, then we will be like this only.
No, my friend doesn't need to work, but she works off the books. But she has food hanging on her doorknobs
that's
4 times a week, and she can choose which one is.
What happened?
Which one is? Is it? Yeah, there are many wacko here, huh? They don't scared of being killed or whatever.
Oh, he wants to go to taxi and that guy is not let.
Oh. And you know, they live in this kind of pre-housing here. Actually, it's not really pre-housing. They pay some people. See, those are government housing there. So they pay only a little bit. So can you imagine they pay $500 a month, free electric and free water.
Oh.
They can turn on the air condition and the heater 24 hours. That's how the
But
government.
that is the government project house, right?
Yeah, that's the government pampered those poor.
Yeah, I think they are not earning
Sorry, not.
earning enough. I think those people.
You see, this is a big housing thing here. Housing
Projects. They call them projects.
Yeah.
Government is right. Government helps.
Yeah.
Government. This is pretty.
Is the government?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, the government here helps a lot.
Yeah, that's why the people.
Yes, that's why.
There are in America 2-3 people immigrant. One thing you want to work hard and become rich.
Yeah.
One thing you get everything free and
Yes.
you get free medical care.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that
And the other one, and the other. You said 3 kinds. So what is the other one?
One is that one is to come and
Work hard.
do illegal, right?
Ah, okay. So that's why it's three kinds, huh?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Many, they want to do smuggling. They want to do black. They want to get the credit loan and they don't pay. And
yes.
There are many people like that.
Oh yes. Huh. This area here, there are plenty of Latinos in the afternoon. Now it's cold, so they are not around here on the street, but they are here all the time drinking and loud music, and you know, like they don't care about work.
They work whole day and evening they finish their money.
No, they don't work at daytime. They just in here. Where are we going?
No, sir, the other way.
The other way. The other way.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No. It's
No.
between Broadway and Amsterdam.
Yeah, can we turn back?
It's between Broadway and Amsterdam. It's a one-way going towards Amsterdam.
Oh, shit.
It's okay. We can turn.
Find a way.
No, we can do.
Oh, you want to go to Morningside up there? Okay, all right.
Ooh, I have a joyride.
Oh, but this Google map is.
Would it show you the wrong way?
Yeah, see.
That's why the Uber will have hard time finding the
It's
544.
funny, the two times we've been picked up, they go to the wrong building.
You can turn here. If you can turn. Yep. Then going, yes.
Go down, right?
Yes.
Oh no, we used like 2 maps with links. Sometimes they, but now it's okay.
Yeah, 2 maps with links are okay. Because last time they took us to the Harlem Park, right?
Oh.
This is no. I remember then I asked the driver to turn back, and then.
No, I don't remember.
Yeah, I remember.
We'll go down.
Yeah, 113. Yeah, go left. Yeah.
Go left.
Yeah.
Can we go? Can we enter?
Yeah, you can go this.
Yeah. You can go down and come up next from the Broadway. Yeah.
Yes, and
We
then.
have to go past Broadway and then go to Broadway and turn right on 114.
Yes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, his
It's one way going towards.
Yes.
114 is one way going towards Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
Oh no, the map was not my mistake.
It's okay.
I had another pick of 102.